Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm unboxing and reviewing this Interlock Magnetic Tactical Band, specially designed for Apple Watch Ultra and other compatible models. Let's check out what's inside and see how it looks and feels in real life. First, let's open the box. Inside, we have the tactical watch band, neatly packed. At first glance, the build quality looks solid and premium. This band is made from skin-friendly nylon, which feels soft but very durable. It's designed to be sweat-resistant, heat-resistant, and wear-resistant, making it ideal for daily use, workouts, and outdoor activities. One of the key highlights is this mechanical lock with a built-in magnetic system. The magnetic interlock provides a strong and secure fit, while the mechanical lock adds extra safety. Once it's locked, it feels very stable on the wrist. This band fits wrist sizes between 165mm and 180mm, so make sure to check your wrist size before buying. On the wrist, it feels comfortable, breathable, and not too heavy. This band is compatible with multiple Apple Watch models, including Apple Watch Ultra, Ultra 2, and Ultra 3 to 49mm. Apple Watch Series 10 and 11 to 46mm. Series 7, 8, and 9 to 45mm. Espresso 2, Series 4, 5, and 6 to 44mm. Series 1, 2, and 3 to 42mm. So, it supports a wide range of Apple Watches. Overall, the Interlock Magnetic Tactical Band offers a strong build, secure locking, and comfortable wear. It's a great option if you want a rugged, sporty, and premium-looking band for your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.